known as Snell's law of refraction. They are the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal at the point of intersection all lie in the same plane. The ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence I to the sine of angle of refraction R is equal to the refractive index of the medium, which is a constant. So sine I and sine R is equals to constant, that is denoted by the letter mu. Now look at the diagram. Here the light is traveling from the air to liquid. The incident ray, refracted ray, and the angle between the rays are shown in the picture. So theta 1 is the angle between the incident ray and the normal, and theta 2 is the angle between the refracted ray and the normal. So in terms of speed of light, sine theta 1 by sine theta 2 is equals to n2 by n1. Dispersion. Now we are going to understand the dispersion by an activity. First, we are going to place a prism on a table and we are going to keep a white screen near it. Now with the help of a torch, we are going to allow the white light to pass through the prism. What do we observe? We can observe that white light split into 7 colored rays, namely violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. In short, it is visual on the screen. Now we are going to place another prism in its inverted position between the first prism and the screen. Now what do we observe? We can observe that white light is coming out of the second prism. In the activity, you can see that the first prism splits the white light into 7 colored light rays, and the second prism recombines them into white light again. Thus, it is clear that white light consists of 7 colors. You can also recall the Newton's disk experiment which you studied in 7th standard. Splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors on passing through a transparent medium is known as dispersion of light. Why does dispersion occurs? It is because light of different colors present in white light have different wavelength and they travel at different speeds in a medium. You know that refraction of light ray in a medium depends on its speed. So as each colored light has a different speed, the constituent colored light are refracted at different extents inside the prism. Moreover, refraction of a light ray is inversely proportional to its wavelength. Thus, the red colored light which has a large wavelength is deviated less, while the violet colored light which has a short wavelength is deviated more. Do you know the formation of rainbow is an example of dispersion of white light? This can be seen on the opposite side of the sun. After a rainfall, large number of droplets still remain suspended in the air. When white light passes through them, it is split into 7 colors. So dispersion of white light from a large number of droplets eventually forms a rainbow.